Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do this little swatch here with the stitch combination. So this is using half double crochets with single crochets, alternating with yarn over slip stitches. And this is what it looks like. Very nice and lacy. And I'm using a just fingering weight cotton yarn and a 3.5mm hook. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so start by grabbing your yarn and your hook and make a regular slip stitch. Then we're going to chain an even number of chains. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna chain only 12 just for the purpose of this video, but if you're making, for example, a gauge swatch, that is supposed to be 10 by 10 centimeters or 4 by 4 inches, then you want to make your chain at least like 50% longer than that. So you can count the stitches and rows within your square. All right, 12 chains. So first row starts by making a half double crochet into the second chain from your hook. Just like that. The first one always looks a little weird. Gonna pull down the brightness. All right. And now we want to single crochet into this left leg here, or the left loop of the half double crochet. So it's a bit difficult to see on this first one, but the next ones will be easier to see. So insert your hook into the left loop here, the left leg of the half double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. So that's a regular single crochet basically. Now we want to skip one chain and half double crochet into the next. So I skip this one and then I go into this and I do a normal half double crochet like this. Now we can see a bit easier. We have this left leg here, we have a shorter loop or leg right next to it, and then we have these two loops up here. So the left one, that's where we want to go into. So insert your hook and make a single crochet. So this is basically the repeat for this row. So you skip one stitch, go into the next and half double crochet, and then you single crochet into the half double crochet, and then you repeat that until you have 2 chains left, and I'm going to show you how to end the row. Okay, so 2 chains left, and what I'm going to do now is, as usual, skip one and half double crochet into the next, the last chain here, and then the row is done. So no single crochet into the last one. So this is the first row. For the second row, we're gonna chain one and turn around. And now you can see we have a bunch of different loops here to choose from. We have, if you look at it from the top, we have 2 loops that make this kind of V shape. Then if you turn it towards you again, you have 2 loops facing you again. This is, the top one is the same as with the one up here. But we also have this bottom one, or I call it the front loop, I don't know what it's called. But we're gonna work into the front loop with yarn over slip stitches. So yarn over and go into the front loop of the first stitch, which can be a bit tricky, like that. Yarn over, pull through, and then you slip, oops, then you slip through those 2 stitches, or those 2 loops. Okay, then for the next one, yarn over, go into the front loop, yarn over, pull back, and then pull through both loops. Okay, and this is what we do for this row. It can be a bit tricky in the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, it's really simple. So yeah, you just repeat this until you get to the end of the row, and this is what it looks like from the other side. Very nice. Okay, so now I've reached the end. I will chain one and turn. So the chain one at the end of every row does not count as a stitch. Now we're gonna repeat this row that we made the first row, but we're going to make it in the back loops of the previous row. So start by making a half double crochet. Now we're looking at the stitches from the top. We have these V's here, and we're going into this loop. So half double crochet, and then just like we did before, we go into the left leg of the half double crochet and we make a single crochet. Skip one, go into the next, half double crochet, single crochet into the half double crochet, and then you just repeat this until you get to the end of the row. So remember, for the first row we stopped when we had 2 chains left, so we're gonna stop when we have 2 stitches left, and we're gonna, let's see, I'm almost there. Like this, I only have 2 stitches left, so I'm gonna skip one, skip this one, and then I'm gonna half double crochet into the last one. Like this. And there you have it. That's the repeat. So for the, let's see, 1, 2, 3, for the 4th row, we're going to chain 1, and then just do the yarn over slip stitches into the front loop. So yarn over, go into the front loop, which is the trickiest loop to get into. Let's see here, like that. Yarn over, pull through, and then pull through both loops. And then you just continue. This is the repeat. Super simple when you get the hang of it. Yeah. So good luck. After you have made your gauge swatch, remember to block it. This is super important, especially when you're using cotton yarn, because it will stretch a lot. So yeah, that's it. Good luck with your project. If you want to see or know how to increase and decrease, then you can go to that video, which I will have linked in the bio. All right, thank you for watching.